All right, personal boxes. Hoops 2021. 2 boxes for men and also a 2020 Contenders football box. Let's do the Contenders. Pick the box first and then we'll do that one. So I got 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one do you want? Did you hear me, man? I said I got 1 through 5 here for Contenders if you want to pick one. Yeah, Super Bowl. Got about 6 hours. You better get some sleep. Huh. I don't know, man. I never go against Brady, but obviously Mahomes is pretty damn good. Um, I don't know. It sounds silly to say, but I think everyone thinks that it could go either way, and they wouldn't be surprised, and that's how I feel about it. But you better get some sleep so you can watch the game, man. Number 5, you got it. Number 4. Whoa, he changed it. Wow. Okay. Well, there's 4. I'll leave 5 there. Number 4, man. Changed it up. Okay. You say so. That is Aaron Rodgers on the MVP. We got ink, and it's a kicker. It is Rodrigo Blankenship. Kicker for the Colts, Blankenship. And Rookie of the Year contender in that pack was Van Jefferson. Chason and Queen. Michael Thomas winning ticket. Second auto. Panthers, big boy, Derek Brown. Rookie ticket auto for the Panthers, Derek Brown. MVP contender Kirk Cousins. Rookie of the Year contender Jacob Eason. Randy Mouse. There's a good one. Oh, nice. Number to 22 on card cracked ice auto DeAndre Swift. That's a nice one. DeAndre Swift cracked ice auto on card, number to 22 for the Lions. Nice card. And Joe Burrow and Justin Jefferson. MVP McCaffrey. Shenault, Rookie of the Year. Okuda and Chase Young is number to 149. And Henderson and Chaseum. Lamar. Mahomes on the MVP contenders. Patrick Mahomes, MVP contenders. Got another auto here. It is Shaquille Quarterman for the Jags. Rookie ticket auto. Shaquille Quarterman for Jacksonville. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Rookie of the Year contender. Joe Green. Mahomes on the base. Burrow and Tua. Burrow and Tua on the rookie. Auto. Rookie ticket auto. Damian Wilson For the Chiefs, Damian Wilson, Kansas City. Yeah, it's hard to say. There's a lot of good rookie quarterbacks in this class, and a couple of them haven't even got a chance that might soon. Eason and Love, MVP contender Drew Lock. So I think there's a lot of potential for a lot of guys in this class. I don't think Tua's had enough of a chance yet. I mean, it's too early to tell with him. Different style quarterback for sure, but yeah, we'll see. Justin Jefferson. Herbert obviously looks the best, and then a big injury for Burrow. But yeah, Tua's kind of just hanging out. All right, we have hoops. This is 083. 083. All right, I have not seen any of this hoops yet. I don't know too many of the guys except for some of the ones you just told me, but obviously I know LaMelo, but the other ones I don't know. So we shall see. RJ Barrett, high voltage. It's weird now that these guys are in their second year cards here. This is Pokazevsky. Wow, that dude looks tall and skinny. How tall is that dude? Holy hell. 7 foot, yeah. Jeez. And Isaac Okoro. So I'll have to I'm gonna tag somebody real quick. Ja Morant. Second year Ja Morant. Ja Morant again. Oh, that's the old school 90 hoops. That's cool. Foil. And the rookies of Kyra Lewis and Precious Achua. Wow, these guys have some crazy names. Shoot, I already forget the names you told me, man. Let me look so I don't, so I make sure I sleeve them. Hey, Mark, what's up? I'm opening something. I'm opening some stuff right now, but I couldn't text you all that, but I can I can talk to you on here. It's much easier. Okay, Wiseman, however. Okay. Yeah, I got another box of hoops after this one to open for men, but if you want to open it live, I can do that after that, or I can ship them to you sealed as well. So there's a Trey Young. What do I got? Jalen McDaniels, Balmero, and Tyrell Terry. Mark, I have Contenders, which we just opened. I have Prism No Huddle. I have Prism Blasters. I have Prism Hobby. I have Immaculate Collegiate. I have National Treasures Collegiate. There's Anthony Edwards, Isaiah Stewart, and Jordan Nwora. I have Contenders Draft and Contenders NFL. I have Mosaic Cello, Prism Cello, Phoenix, Obsidian, Origins, Elite, Donruss Blaster, Mosaic Hanger, Mosaic Blaster. That's most. Oh, I have two more Contenders over there, Min. I had them separately, so I do have two more over there. Luca, Nick Richards, and R.J. Hampton. Patrick Williams, Kenyon Martin, and Elijah Hughes on the rookies. Contenders NFL 625, Prism Hobby Blaster, and No Huddle. I have to get you prices on. Tyrese Maxey and Desmond Bain are the rookies in that one. The Blasters don't have any autos, obviously. The No Huddle, I think you get one auto. The Hobby, two autos. There's different variations and stuff. Obviously, the Hobby is like stupid priced at $13.50 a box. I think No Huddle's like $8.50 a box. The hangers are around. The blasters are around 100 or something. There's a LeBron City Edition. That's a cool card. Nice LBJ. CJ Ellaby and Skylar Mays on the rookies. Okay, you got it. We'll do Contenders. We got a lot of hoops packs to open, but if you want to hang out, Min just did a box a minute ago. I thought I had 4 left, but I actually have 6 left because I got 2 that I was taking to somebody, but they didn't buy them, or I forgot them or something. Zion second year. And it is for the Atlanta Hawks. Hot signature rookies. Auto, Skylar Mays. Skylar Mays. He any good, Min? Because I don't know. You told me a few names, but I do not know. Mark, do you want it open live, or do you want me to ship you a box sealed? Doesn't matter to me. Paul George, Peyton Pritchard, rookie, and Patrick Williams. Any of these rookies any good that we got so far, man? Marcus Smart, and the rookies are Emmanuel Quickly and Anthony Edwards. There is Anthony Edwards on the rookie base. Not yet. Okay. Clint Capella purple. The rookies are Sadiq Bey and Tyler Bey. That's interesting. Brothers, huh? Siakam, Meladin, and Cole Anthony. Are these boxes worth this much, man? I guess LaMelo's selling for a bunch, right? There's Anthony Davis. The LaMelo base rookies are selling. Hopefully some of these other guys too. $400 for hoops. Emmanuel Quickly, Josh Green, and Killian Hayes on the rookie. You want to rip it, Mark? Okay. James Harden. And the rookies, Aaron Nesmith and Obi Toppin. I do have a group break up basketball with 9 left. If we can get that filled, that'd be great. If you want any spots, it's pretty good value for a nice little 4-box mixer. You get 2 teams for $1.13. Pretty hard to do in basketball. This one is out of 199. That is Bill Russell. And Jalen Smith and Denny Avdija on the rookies. I did try to put up another football break, but it didn't get any action, so I'll have to think of something else to add to the basketball break that we have up. I've just been busy this weekend, and obviously the Super Bowl tonight I won't be around, but this afternoon I can break. Isaiah Stewart is rookie purple. And then we have Okongwu and Saban Lee on the rookie base. Karl Anthony Towns, Jaden McDaniels, and Vernon Carey Jr. Cole Anthony, Zeke Naji, and James Wiseman. Wait, he was good, wasn't he? Wiseman. Yeah. Thought so. I looked at him, I was like, I know that name. James Wiseman on the rookie base. I gotta start watching hoops so I can see who's good out of this. Steph Curry, Hypnotize insert. Devin Vassell and Nico Mannion on the rookie base. KD. Leandro Balmero. And Grant Riller. Tyrese Halliburton. There we go. Halliburton. He's tall. How tall is that dude? 6'5"? Well, looks taller in that picture. He's not much taller than me. All right, so now we just need LaMelo. We got the other ones. Number to $6.99, Tony Parker. Xavier Tillman and Robert Woodard on the rookies. Yeah, I'm pretty tall. Like 6'2". Mitchell Robinson. There he is. LaMelo Ball for the Hornets. Rookie base, LaMelo Ball. Udoka Azupiki. So we got all the rookies, right? Except for maybe one. I don't even know. And what do we got here? We have an auto. Rookie auto for the Wizards. Dini Avdija. Avdija on the rookie ink auto for the Wizards. Booker, Flynn, and Oturu. Last pack in this box. LeBron. Sadiq Bey, Cassius Winston, and Trey Jones. All right, more hoops. This is 267, man. Zion. Kawhi. Peyton Pritchard and Patrick Williams. Israel. Did we pull him? Did we pull his rookie? Because if we did, I didn't sleeve it. So let me know. I'll go back and get it. Maladin, Vassell, and Mannion. The auto. RJ Barrett, Kevin Durant. Porzingis, number 2, 999. Grant Riller and Halliburton. Another Halliburton. This is Balmero on the rookie purple. Xavier Tillman and Robert Woodard. Luka, backstage pass. And there he is again, one per box. LaMelo, rookie base for the Hornets. LaMelo Ball, number 2. Azubigi. Maxie, Flynn, and Oturo. LeBron. That's a cool card. I like that. Foil Shaq from the 1990 Hoops. Cassius Winston, rookie, and Trey Jones. Cole Anthony. Quickly, and Anthony Edwards. Yeah, he goes every day. Well, Monday through Friday. Today's Sunday. He's with his mom. I pick him up from school tomorrow. Don't tell him if you see him, man, but Daddy bought a dog, and Daddy's picking a dog up, a little puppy, on Tuesday. So little Braden is going to have a puppy on Wednesday when I pick him up from school. And life's about to change over here. I lost my dog last year of 16 years, and it was really hard, so I waited a while, but buying a puppy. Siakam. Sadiq Bey and Tyler Bey again. He's at a private school. It's a little bit different than the regular schools. Some of them here are doing like a hybrid thing. Yeah, I love dogs too. But yeah, some of them go a couple days and they're home a couple days virtual. If it snows, they do virtual, which stinks. But Cole Anthony and Maladin. But yeah, he goes 5 days a week. But it's a private school. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit different. He doesn't ride a bus. They have desk shields at their desk. They have to wear a mask all day long. They eat their lunch in the classroom. Instead of going to other classes, the teachers come to their class. So if like he has like Spanish, instead of going to Spanish class, the kids stay in the room and the teacher comes there. So oh, what do we got? What do we got? Nice. Second year RJ Barrett auto. You're good at pulling RJ Barretts in here. Huh. I pull you a lot of Barrett autos. You got a couple sitting here still. That's a nice one. Second year hot signature RJ Barrett auto for the Knicks. Derek Jones, Aaron Neesmith, and Topin. Brandon Ingram, Maxey, and Bain. Picking him up on Tuesday. He'll be he's 8 weeks old. He's a Bernedoodle. Bernese Mountain Dog Poodle mixed with a couple other things actually. Lonzo Ball. We don't need him though. Kyra Lewis, Stanley, and Ramsey are the rookies in this one. Uh-oh. I gotta hit C translation on that one, man. It says Mount Born. Okay. It's a Bernese Mountain Dog. Really good dogs. Should be about 50 pounds or so when he's fully grown. That's Jerry Lucas out of $6.99. Pakuski and Okoro on the rookies. Your favorite dog? Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I had a cockapoo for the last 16 years, and she was amazing. Cocker Spaniel Poodle mix, and they don't shed, which is huge for me because I don't like to have to clean up all the hair. Um, Brooke Lopez, Isaiah Stewart, and Nora. I have to hit C translation when you type like that. Mount Bourne. Yeah, something like that. We got another auto here. It's going to be from the Pistons, and it's a rookie auto this time. Saban Lee, Hot Signatures rookie auto. Saban Lee. What the heck? We had focus a minute ago. The sun just kind of popped out. Now it's like bright in here. Oh yeah. Well, it's going to cost me 2,700 just to get the dog off the breeder. So yeah, it's a lot. Devin Booker, Jalen Smith, and Avija. Yeah, they're not cheap. Yeah, I'll text you. Sorry, these hoops have a lot of packs. Luca. And plus, Min usually doesn't stop after a couple boxes, so he might keep going. Jalen Smith, Okonju, and Saban Lee. Giannis, Devin Booker, Jaden McDaniels, and Verdon Carey. Dylan Brooks, Najee, and Tillman. Luca, Robert Woodard, and wow, 2 in 1 box. 3 overall. The corners aren't so great on this one. It's the last card in the pack. No, they're not terrible. I'll let you mess with that. But that is another LaMelo. So you got 3 in 2 boxes. That's pretty good. They were selling pretty high for base already. I know that much, but that's because people will be sending them in to get graded and stuff. But you know what? Even like Tatum and PSA 10 is only $150, $200. So can't imagine he's going to be that crazy. 2 more packs. Min is going to do another box of hoops. I think I just saw a message. Got a numbered rookie here. Foil numbered rookie of Quickly. That is out of 199. And then Oturo and Winston. Last pack. Red back. Oh, on the mellows? Yeah. Let me check. How the heck do you know that? Jeez. Trey Jones and Quickly. Let's see. We got one there. We got one there. That's this box. So this is both in this box. I don't think. Unless that first one in the other box was, but these seem to be the same. Let's see what that in that first box, man. There's the other one. I don't think any red. I think they're all the same. Look the same to me. Okay, let me grab this. Okay, it was. Okay, that one is 353. All right. Okay. Okay, that's my camera won't straighten out here. David Robinson foil, Maxey and Bain, LeBron insert, hypnotized. It's nice. Winston and Trey Jones. Vassell, Quickly, and Anthony Edwards. Shaq, number to 699, Shaq. And Bay. CJ Ellaby on the purple, Maladin, and Cole Anthony. Devin Booker, Josh Green, and Killian Hayes on the rookies. There is a different type of LaMelo. That is some sort of rookie insert. Can't really read what the heck it says up there. LaMelo, rookie special. And Naismith and Topin. Josh Green, Stanley, and Ramsey. Siakam, Pukozovsky, Okoro. Another LaMelo. This one is now playing. Rookie LaMelo Ball. Now playing. We didn't get any of these in the first two boxes. Now you got them both. Stewart and Noor. Luka. Langford out of 99. Jalen Smith and Avija. James Harden. Rookies of Okonjo and Lee. My phone died. Giannis. Embiid. Jada McDaniels. Carey. Najee and Wiseman. James Wiseman, second one. Rookie base. Number to 999, Jamal Murray. Lewis and Achua. We ain't getting autos yet, huh? Panini points coming. There's a LeBron purple. LeBron James purple parallel. Bolmero, Terry. That's not Panini points, but that is an auto. Rookie ink auto for the Pacers. Cassius Stanley. Cassius Stanley on the rookie ink auto for Indiana. Anthony Davis, R.J. Hampton, Nick Richards. Halliburton. Halliburton on the rookie insert, Hughes and Martin. Steph Curry on the foil. Ellaby and Mays. Adebayo purple. Pritchard and Patrick Williams. Anthony Davis, zero gravity. Vassell and Mannion on the rookies. Carey, Riller, Halliburton, rookie base. Halliburton. Luke Kennard is numbered to 199. Tillman and Woodard. Last pack. LaMelo in the last pack, rookie base. Azuke. Rookie base. LaMelo Ball in the last pack. All right, man. Thank you, sir. I gotta get my charger. Yeah, was there one less auto on that one? There might have been, huh? Stanley. It was just Stanley in that one, huh? Yeah, I think it was. It's supposed to be 2. Yeah, it is 2, huh? Okay. Let me, I'll have to contact them like I usually do when there's missing product. I'll put the claim in. I don't think they ever got back to me on your last one either.